How to pin apps on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin apps on Android. To do so, first of all, you will need to turn this feature on your Android device. Open your settings on your device or scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will take you to the settings page. Now here you will need to scroll down to find security and privacy option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it, and now here you will need to scroll a bit down until you locate more security settings option. In some of the devices you could see advanced option instead of it. Simply tap on it, and again here you will need to scroll down until you locate this advanced section. Here now find pin app or screen pinning option based on your device. Once you locate this option, you will be able to see the toggle button at the right side of it. Simply tap on it and turn it on. Now once after turning it on, now you can simply pin the application. Come back to the home page and open any application on your device. Here I am opening Spotify application. Now once after opening it, simply tap on these three vertical lines at the bottom left. Once you tap on it, now you can simply tap on the app icon at the top of your app preview page and a pop-up will appear here. Now tap on pin this app option. By doing so, at the bottom you will see the app has been pinned. It will also show you how to unpin it if you would like to unpin this application. You will need to simply touch and hold the recent and back button at the same time in order to do so. Now tap on the OK option right here. Now you can see the app has been pinned. In order to unpin it, now simply press and hold the back button and the recent apps button together, and then you'll be able to unpin this application. So this is how you can pin an application on Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.